Hello friends, welcome to Tuesday's video. So I have some really big projects coming up in February, and so I wanted to do something a little bit easier today. And I ordered, it's called Marabou Alcohol Ink, and it's the rainbow kind. I have tried this on like cardboard, but I have not tried it yet in resin. I just got this in a couple of days ago. Right away, looking at it, I'm realizing that I opened it wrong. It shows that you're supposed to use like a needle or something to pop it open, but I cut mine. That's okay. But it's super pretty on cardboard, not so much rainbow. I'm not seeing a holographic sheen to it on cardboard, but I wanted to see how it functions in UV resin. So I've got some little pendant molds here, and I've got my Total Boat UV resin, and we're just gonna pour it in there and add some of this and cure it. I might grab some flowers to put in, like maybe this one or this one. We'll see. Yeah, so I just wanted to do something a little bit fun, a little bit different, and a lot easier than the two projects that I have coming up in February that are going to be massive. And by massive, I mean a lot of resin and a lot of pours and a lot of time. So, if you want to stick around for that, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Anyway, let's go ahead and test this out, shall we? All right, so as you saw in the video, I didn't fill them up to the top with the first pour, and I did that by design because I knew that the alcohol ink would leave a wet layer on the back, and that would not be very nice to the touch. So I cured the first pour, and then I went in and added a second like topper pour. So yeah, let's take these out and see how they look. Very pretty. Yeah, in person I'm still not getting a lot of rainbow. I'm getting a lot of blue, purple, maybe pink in there. I also need to cure these a little longer, so as I put them in the in my cure box for 2 minutes on the front and 1 minute on the back. I also cured them with my light, so I'm just popping them over here to my light as I demold them, so that it's mostly the edges that are sticky. So here's another one. I mean, don't get me wrong. Well, number one, this camera is not going to pick up the blue and purple and pink. But this is a very beautiful glitter. And it's very fine, so I think it would look really nice in, you know, if you were to do with regular resin a petri dish pour. I think it would look really nice in that. But again, I'm not getting a lot of the rainbow, which is what I was promised. So it's a little disappointing. Here's one with the lavender buds. It's gorgeous. It's very, very pretty. It's just not rainbow. I'm not totally mad at it though. It still looks really pretty. So I do think I will be incorporating this into, you know, if I ever do, well, I'm going to do, but in the future, if I do more petri dish pours, then I will definitely be, you know, incorporating this into it because it is very, very pretty. It's a gorgeous, fine glitter. It's just not rainbow. And by rainbow, I mean holographic. It's called rainbow, but typically with glitters, a rainbow glitter is a holographic glitter. So, yeah. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Again, it's called the Marabou. Actually, let's do this. Let me grab a piece of paper. And I want to put some on the paper and see if that shows a little bit better. Turn that light off now. There we go. Actually, we'll do two because the other side is darker. So let's do two. It does have a ball in it. So when you shake it, you know, to get all of the glitter, I suppose, stuck from, unstuck from the bottom. Okay. And again, this is alcohol ink, so it should dry as quickly as your typical alcohol inks. There we go. So you're seeing some of the blue in there. It's coming up mostly white on the camera. Let's look at it on the dark. It's got a gorgeous shimmer to it. This, to my eye, is coming up purple. You can kind of see it when I tilt it like that. The purple to it. And then you can also see the blue coming in. So yeah, again, a lot of blue, a lot of pink, a lot of purple. Those are the colors I'm getting. Still very pretty. And I do like it, so I will be incorporating it. But yeah, that's today's video. Like I said, I wanted to do something super simple because I am about to do 2 very large, time-consuming and cost-consuming videos. If you saw Thursday's video, yeah, of last week, then you know how expensive this shit is. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please do let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. You're definitely going to want to do that because in February I have 2 very large projects coming up, as I said, and you don't want to miss those. So thanks again so much for watching, guys, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.